Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon meringue pie. So let's cook. First, you want to start out by pre-baking a pie shell. Next, you want to go ahead and separate 4 egg yolks. Now that that's done, we're going to set this off to the side. Now I'm going to zest about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon. Okay, now that I've grated about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest, I'm going to go ahead and set that off to the side. And I'm going to juice about 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Now that I have my 1/2 cup of lemon juice, you just want to get 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, your 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, your 4 egg yolks, and 2 1/4 cup of water, and you want to take this over to the stove so you can make your lemon sauce. Okay guys, so I have my saucepan heating up on a medium heat. And you're just going to add in your cup of sugar, your 1/2 cup of cornstarch, your lemon zest, and your 2 1/4 cup of water. You just want to mix this up. And you just want to cook this up on medium heat until it begins to get thick and bubble. Now that this is thickened up, you want to go ahead and turn your fire off, and you want to start to temper your egg yolks. So I have my egg yolks off to the side, and what I normally do is I'll take some of my filling like this inside of my whisk, and I'll just add a little at a time like this inside of my egg yolk. Just like this. Then I go back in, get some more like that, whisk that in. So now that that's smooth like that, I'm going to go ahead and pour this back inside of our lemon sauce and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now I got my heat on low, and I'm going to go ahead and add my egg mixture back in. So it's been about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Next, you're just gonna take this off the fire, and you're gonna add in your lemon juice. You're gonna mix that in. And now you want to add in about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to mix that up. Now that this is nice and creamy and smooth, I'm just going to leave it over here so it can cool down a little bit. So now we're going to go ahead and put this in a pie shell. Alright, so I'm just going to add that into our pie crust. Now you just want to smooth it out. Now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and start making my meringue. So I have our 4 egg whites here, and I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And I'm just going to mix this up. Now I'm just going to be slowly adding in 1/4 cup of sugar. Now that this is whipped up to its nice stiff peaks like this, now we're going to put this on our pie. Now you want to just smooth this all over your pie. And I just try to cover all of the lemon filling first before I start doing my decorative peaks. Alright. Now you just flick up with your spatula just to get those pretty peaks. Now I'm just going to bake this in the oven on 350 until my meringue turns a nice golden brown. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and I went ahead and took my pie out. And as you can see, that color on there is so pretty. So I'm going to let this pie cool down and put it into the refrigerator, probably overnight. And I'll be back tomorrow to let you guys see what this pie looks like after I slice it. Okay guys, so our pie has cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Okay guys, and here is our pie. It's nice and thick. You can see how high our meringue is on our pie. And that's what you want when you're making lemon meringue pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.